welcome to a 5-minute seated workout. Let's just get started by marching. Let's bring the arms in front, so sitting up straight. So there are definitely days when we don't feel like moving, and my hope is that this 5 minutes will energize you to want to do more. Let's bring the arms overhead. And if not, at least you've done this 5 minutes. So you can do this as many times as you want throughout the day. Let's have the arms down at the side. Let's bring them up halfway and back down. Breathing in and out. One more time and out. Bring the arms in front. And one more. Having the hands at the shoulders, we are going to raise a knee up as we bring the arms up and back down, other side. If this is too challenging, just bring one arm up at a time. One more on each side. Good, going back into that walk, bringing the shoulders back, and then rolling the shoulders forward. Set the shoulders back again, rotating the wrists, other direction. And then pressing the hands forward, pulling back as if you're pulling a heavy cable. Press and pull. One more time. Let's go overhead. So just going up and now really pull down. Let the arms float up and pull. And pull. One more time. Raising a knee up and back down. So just bringing the knee to whatever height you can. Let's go into that bicep curl at the same time. So flexing those biceps. Going back into a walk. So let's just tap the toes forward. And then if you're able to, bring a hand in as well, opposite hand with the foot. And then a heel tap, so switch into a heel tap and palm going out. If you want to, you can move to the edge of your chair. It's a little bit easier to move that way. Okay, going back into that march, arms at the side, and then little circles. Other direction. So even if you fit this 5-minute workout in several times throughout the day, you are definitely benefiting your health. Every little bit counts, every little bit helps. Okay, let's bring the hands to the shoulders and then just bring the hands out and then flex. So continuing to walk with your feet if you can and flex. Let's do that one more time. So going out and then flex. Bring the hands to the shoulders. Let's press those hands to the back wall, flexing your triceps. So it's the back of your arms. So press and flex. One more. Let's relax the feet. That was a lot of movement in those short minutes. So a hand going up, let's switch sides. So trying to reach the arms now as far back as you can. Trying to improve the posture and our flexibility. And this time having the hands meet in front. Let's bring them back as far as we can and forward, turning the palms out and forward. Palms out again. Good, having the hands together, pressing them in front, feeling that stretch through your back. Having the hands in front here, and then pulling those elbows back, and I want you just to hold and try and get those elbows back as far as you can to get those shoulders back. So many of us sit so long in the day and we're at computers. We need to get those shoulders back and get better posture. Relaxing those arms, taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. Let's do that one more time. And breathing out. That's it. That's 5 minutes. You moved. That is fantastic. I hope to see you back, or I hope you'll come back. Hit the thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. If you enjoyed the video, write a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see in future videos, and I will see what I can do to make those for you. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye for now.